Verusen's sole focus is on the unique challenges and requirements of MRO material optimization. Verusen has developed the only AI platform purpose-built for MRO inventory. We've had the privilege of working with industry leaders across many verticals, leveraging over 50 million unique MRO materials and billions of transactions to train our AI models. This approach has helped our customers to experience an average of 15% net reduction in inventory while improving uptime by right-sizing critical spares. Our AI insights empower organizations like yours to make smarter purchasing decisions. Verusen eliminates the need for data cleansing by ingesting data as is from ERP, EAM, and P2P systems, then applying purpose-built AI to deliver always-on MRO inventory optimization. Our AI processes and enhances material records, usage, and purchase history to reduce inventory, improve uptime, and enhance sourcing strategies. Key use cases include inventory optimization, material criticality assessment, duplicate identification, network optimization, and procurement insights, such as tail spend analysis, purchase price variance, and strategic sourcing recommendations. At Verusen, we solve the biggest challenge in inventory optimization: data quality. Our AI-driven approach goes beyond optimization to normalize data, ensuring accurate correlation, stocking, and sourcing while preventing duplication. Powered by the world's largest MRO data set, our proprietary material graph leverages cutting-edge AI, MRO-specific natural language processing, fine-tuned large language models, and an optimized vector database to turn raw data into actionable insights.